Hey guys, it's Dale with the Insurance with your quirky question of the week. This week I had to actually pull out the whiteboard just because we had a question. The first question from our customer was, hey, thinking about buying a car. And his question was a bit more general than what we have on this board. What they were looking for is, does the color of their car impact the insurance rates? Very viable question. And it made us kind of expand that question to kind of a few other myths about car insurance that we thought may be of assistance. So to answer the question before I jump in, no, it doesn't have an impact on your rate. The model of the car, the make of the car, the year, the safety features, your driving record, those type of things have an impact on your rate. So actually the first myth that's typically debunked, that people generally think that a red car equates to higher rates. Conversely, they think a white car equates to lower rates. This is not the case. So that's one myth that's debunked. This one happens, I hear a ton. So you loan out your car, you have your friend drive it, and you actually make sure that your friend has insurance, because in your mind, if they get into an accident, your friend's insurance will pay for damage to your car. This in fact is not true. Insurance follows the car, so your car would be the primary insurance if you loaned it out, someone else was driving it. There are iterations that can change this. So from state to state, some of the laws may change, but generally insurance does follow the car. The next myth, comprehensive coverage covers everything. So obviously by law, there are some states that require different limits, but typically it's liability limits. Comprehensive and collision are kind of added extras. This is not true, because if you have any damage to your car, you would need collision coverage. This also leads into the fourth myth that a lot of people don't know, but if something of value or any item was stolen from your car insurance actually wouldn't pick that up. Car insurance would obviously pick up any damage made to your car from the theft, but if there was no damage, they just stole something in your car, then your home insurance or renter's insurance would actually pick that up, not your car insurance. Then the fifth and last myth is thieves prefer newer cars. This is kind of intuitive, because if you think about the business model of a thief, they make money off selling the parts of the car, right? Newer cars aren't in need of parts. So they typically look for older cars, because their market is for cars that break down, which tend to be older cars. So they actually target older cars, not newer ones. Those are kind of our myths debunked. Remember, send your quirky questions to questions@insure.com, and we'll talk to you guys next week. Take care.